Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea Ali. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to do an updated eyeliner tutorial. Now this is going to be different because I usually show you the same technique, the same product, but this time I wanted to show you an easier version and also give you an option for a more of a smudged situation, which by being not so precise, it is easier indeed. No further ado, let's get into today's video. I've already prepped my eyelids, meaning I've applied a little bit of concealer, and then right after concealer I was using this shade right here, which is like a matte, soft, very soft peach eyeshadow from the Couture Mini Clutch from YSL. Now I love this palette so much. If you have warm tones on your face, in your skin, in your hair, you're gonna love this. It looks like this. Okay, now we're gonna get closer. Okay, so I have chosen this particular product for the look because you can do two different eyeliner looks with this. So this is from Valentino. This is not sponsored. I bought this by myself from Galeries Lafayette. It's the only place where you can find Valentino in Paris. One side you have the classic felt tip eyeliner, which is really good. I mean, else I wouldn't show you. And the other side you have a brown pencil, and I think this is so smart because obviously you could use them separately, but I'm going to show you also this look where you could use them together and see the result. So on my right eye, I'm going to show you what it would look like if you use both. And then here I'm going to show you with just like a clean, sharp line. And the reason why I think it's great to use the brown, it's like a very dark brown pencil before, is because sometimes with certain eye shape, I feel like it closes the eye when you do just a very precise eyeliner. But when you add something that is a little smoked out at the base of the lashes, it just creates that volume. It makes your eyes look slightly bigger, and I'll demonstrate. Now, I don't have one way of applying this pencil. As you can see, I just massage it in between my lashes, and I make sure that there is no skin peeking through. So I just literally massage the lashes right in between them. Don't worry about the shape right now. You just want to add this product at the base of the lashes, push it like so. With some eye shapes, this could be a lot easier. Can you get even closer than this? I just wonder. Yeah, because I'm blind. Okay, we can stop there. We can stop there. I am very, like, I have very bad vision. I am always wearing contacts, else I wouldn't be able to even talk to someone. So when these videos are far away, I'm like, girl, come closer. So massaging this. Now I have quite the ability to apply anything on my eyes. I think it's because I'm used with it by now, to apply anything on the base of my lashes without a lot of blinking. I'm not gonna lie, it does tickle a little bit. Also, I think that by doing this step first, it will be easier for you to follow the line. Now that I have the product at the base of the lashes, I'm going to add more to make this line just slightly thicker. Slightly, right? It's a very good brown. Now, as I look straight, this is how you do the flick. and it's a lot easier to do it with a pencil or with eyeshadow than with the eyeliner directly. So my eyes, wait, there was a little bit of a skin peeking through. So my eyes are very, I would say round, but you can see the lowest point of my eye is here. The middle point of my eye would be here, and the highest point is here. Now, my goal is to bring this height to this part of my eye so that the lift is not extreme. Doesn't make any sense. So imagine there is a line. Okay, I have absolutely no clue why I had this in my bag, but I had it. So imagine there is like a straight line from the highest point of my eye, which we agreed it's this right on top of the pupil, right? So we want to bring this kind of like here. It's also very important how further away you're going to go. I don't want to go too further away because it's going to close my eye. I don't want that. The more realistic I do this, the better it's going to look on my small, deep set eyes. Now, I don't have like super deep set eyes. Obviously, there are levels on how, hooded your eyes are, how deep set eyes are. I bet that in 10 years it's going to be even worse. But for now, it's like medium deep set eyes. So, goal to connect this part of the eye with this part of the eye to make it at the same level. By achieving that, you have to look straight in the mirror. Don't do this because it will change the position of the product. Don't do this because again, you're not going to be able to see. You have to make an effort, look straight in your mirror and then figure out, okay, where is the highest point here? My wing would have to be like around here. Do we agree? It's pretty close to the highest point, right? So I just sketch it. For now, I just sketch it. There are many ways you could do this wing. You could go low and then high, but I call that a comma wing. I don't like that. I like to go pretty straight. So from here, I go in an angle that is like so. End of the nose, end of the eye, end of the eyebrows. This is the angle that I'm trying to follow. So now that I know that the wing should be as high as this point, I sketch it slowly. You see how slowly I'm moving? And now it's starting to look like a coma, which I don't like. But if you fill it in here, if you make it a little bit more thick at the end and more straight, now it's starting to look like that winged shape we all love. It's gonna be hard the older you get because the skin is not tight. So the skin not being tight, it's like the pencil is not listening to you. But it's not the pencil, it's the skin. Of course, listen, the quality of the skin has nothing to do with age, actually. I'm telling you from my experience, I have seen very young girls, like very young girls who are smoking and like drinking a lot of alcohol, and you can see it on their skin, how dehydrated and how they lose their elasticity before it's time. So it's not that. It's not the age. If you have a clear image in your head on how the wing should look like, it's going to be easier for the hand to follow the image that you have in your head. So for that, you have to use your imagination of, you know, how your wing is supposed to look like. What is the perfect shape of the wing that you want to achieve? And then your hand will follow that, I promise. Of course, it takes practice. You see how my skin is like not listening here? This is good enough. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. We took forever to do this. I mean, I took forever to do this. Now I took a RèPHR 23 brush. This is very good to create this very detailed work on your eye. Now basically what I wanted to do is smudge this pencil so that it's a little bit less precise, but because I was talking so much, it dried. It dried. I don't think this is going to move anymore. I ruined my video by myself. Listen, it's working, but not the way I wanted. I'm glad it's not a gel pencil, because that one definitely I wouldn't be able to move. This gives me a little bit of hope. Now when you smudge this, you have to be careful that you're not smudging too much so that you completely change its initial shape. You don't want to go too smoky here in the middle, because then, you know, you're going to end up having a more round eyes. And the reason why we're doing this is to have more like elongated eye. Okay, I think this is pretty smudged. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more here at the end. Just want to prove a point. And for that, I need to make it pretty smoky. Okay, now I'm going to take the other side, which is the classic eyeliner. And here is going to be a lot easier because we have the shape. You can start from wherever you prefer. I have a steady hand. You see how I don't use the tip like this? I use it flat, at least for now. Okay, and now when I am at the end of my eye, I do the same trick. Having the shape, the pencil helps tremendously. And I just do very small motions. I don't need to do everything at once, right? So I follow this pencil. Again, it's harder if your skin is not super tight, but it's still achievable. I mean, are you seeing these tiny little dots I'm doing? I'm raising my eyebrow to really perfect the shape. Also, I have to say, it's really hard when you're holding the mirror. Okay, now let me look at you so you understand so the difference between the two eyes. I'm at the point where I don't have to have my eyeliner perfection, sharp like a knife, because that takes time and I don't have that type of time, okay? I still love doing eyeliner shape, like the winged shape, but I don't have that type of time. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like without the pencil, and then you can adjust this as you wish for your needs. For my eye, I really like this. I love it. Now, the really hard part is to match this eye with this eye, because my left is a lot rounder than my right, and also it's slightly lower. Okay, here I rest my pinky to my hairline, else I wouldn't be able to do this. I would have to have my elbow on a steady surface. So I do the core, I do the base. And now I know that the highest point is here, so my eyeliner should be like somewhere here. I keep looking to the other eye to make sure they're equal. They're never gonna look the same because obviously I have a pencil here. And now this was too thick. Once I have the shape, I can go on and perfect. Because when you are doing the eyeliner sharp like this, clean like this, every single mistake is showing. But when you have a little bit of pencil at the base of the lashes, you could get away with a little bit of a mistake, you know what I mean? Can you get further away so we can judge? Now, which eye do you like more? Do you like more smudged type of eyeliner, or are you more the clean, sharp eyeliner girl? I'm just showing you two different things. There is no right or wrong. I'm just curious about your opinion, your needs. I just want to know you. I want to know your makeup routine. So with that being said, I'm going to do my left eye looking like my right, and I'll get back to you with some mascara option. Okay, this is where we are at with the eyes. Now I'm going to use mascara, and this is a new mascara from Queen MUSIA. One fantastic mascara. And you know, I'm very particular. When I saw this brush already, I was like, okay, this is my type. I love a mascara that gives you a lot of volume. But what's so special about this one is that it separates your lashes like, wow. I think this is one layer. I don't think this is the best way to show you mascara when I have eyeliner at the base of the lashes. It doesn't do justice. Oh, so it's so black. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it useful as usual. All the products that I was using for this look, you find it in the description down below, along with my jewelry, the top. It's such a basic from Massimo Dutti, I really like it. And also I will put on the bronzers that I was using, and this lip. This is a Chanel lip gloss that I really like. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!